not big.
I don't care. This is a video clip that's going on the YouTube video, on the YouTube channel. So watch your language.
It's a catfish. Oh.
No way.
That was fun.
Oh.
I hate catching catfish.
Oh, too bad. He's running from you, Tree. You gotta make.
Let's try to get him the right way. It's like this, right?
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
He's got a bony eye head though.
Pose.
Ugh.
Do we have to edit this? I don't want to edit this. This is gonna go on and edited. I'm not editing.
There you go.
Small little catty. Caught on Drew's 4-foot rod. No, don't do that. Small catty caught on Drew's little tiny rod. There she goes.
That was fun.
Yeah, that's a good catch.